Welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be doing a unboxing today. I figured I had so many new PR packages come in that I wanted to combine my IPSY unboxing, because it is the beginning of October, with my PR unboxing, because I wanted to share everything with you guys. And it just doesn't feel right when I get PR packages if I don't share with you guys the new stuff. There's so much good new stuff that came out that I wanted to share with you guys, so you can check it out too and see if you're interested. A lot of really cute affordable things as well. So I'm going to start out with the IPSY box. And if you guys didn't know, IPSY and Boxycharm combined into one. I do have a code with them, so if you guys sign up with them, I get like a small commission. So if you do use my code, thank you so much. Of course, thank you to IPSY for sending this box over to me so I can review it for you guys. I don't get paid to make these reviews. They just send me the boxes to open, so I just like opening them. Reach my hand in and see what comes out. So first thing we have is NUZZOLO. This is the So Pumpkin Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. And it looks like it's a collab with Shawn Johnson East. Favorite scrub, but make it pumpkin spice. I love pumpkin skincare, like pumpkin everything, man. I'm a pumpkin girl, if you couldn't tell. So this is so cute. I hope it smells like pumpkin. So it has pumpkin extract to improve skin smoothness, while fruit enzymes help to unclog pores. She's a mom, wife, entrepreneur, and gold medalist. She said it reminds her of her mom's famous pumpkin bread recipe. Guys, fans of NUZZOLO, I haven't used too many of their products. Next up we have, oh my gosh, I haven't heard of this brand in forever, Dermalect. This brand is actually located in like where I live, like their headquarters. I think I actually interviewed there once, maybe like 10 years ago. This is the XL Lash Volumizer. I know them for their nail care. I didn't think I knew that they had like lash products. So this is an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula, and it's formulated with multi-peptides and a conditioning treatment. Next up, what would a box be without something from Earth Harbor? I feel like they are in every box, and they are a great brand. This is the Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir. This is sea berry and CoQ10. I have heard amazing things about CoQ10. I think you're actually supposed to take it orally, like as a vitamin, as well as put it on your skin topically, because what I've been learning with skincare is that things that you put on your skin you should also be taking internally. So like we put vitamin C on our skin, we should also be taking vitamin C as, you know, a liquid, powder, whatever works best for you. Same with CoQ10, you could put on your skin and then also take it orally, so it's like double the effect. And that goes for a lot of different skincare ingredients. There is a creator on here that I follow, Brianna Stanko. She does have a skincare website, but I learn so much from watching her videos. Like it's great. She's not like an esthetician or anything. I do follow a lot of estheticians as well, but I've learned a lot about good skincare from watching her channel. The Water Nymph Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir is a enchanting blend of moisture locking botanicals and alluring skin renewing properties that give a post-beach glow. It has jojoba oil, raffinose seed extracts, chia seed oil, camellia oil, tomato seed oil, cranberry, sunflower seed buckthorn, vitamin C, jasmine, and then CoQ10 and sunflower vitamin E are the ingredients on the bottom. I'm very curious to try this. I love testing out new skincare as long as it doesn't break me out. Guys, we have a palette from Ofra. Look at this fun packaging. This is the Bienvenidos a Miami mini mix palette. Miami is so fun. I just went there last month for my sister's 40th birthday. I actually still have to post the vlog for that trip, but I really like going to Miami. Okay, so this looks like it is a face palette. How fun. You get Vice Blush, Magic City Highlighter. I don't know if I've tried that one. Cafecito Bronzer. Then we have 305 Blush. That's their zip code, not zip code, area code. Ocean Drive Highlighter and Dale Bronzer. It is super pretty. I really would like to play with these colors. Last products in the box, and then we'll move on to the Icon bag. Is that what it's called? Or IPSY bag? This is Formula, I don't know what this is. Formula I Am So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo in Shine On. Ooh, that is so cool. It's like a shimmery copper in the middle, and then, yeah, oh, there's like a little shimmer stick. That is so cute. Okay, here's the bag for this month. Let's see what cute little samples are in here. We have The Beauty Crop Gripping Primer. This has been so popular lately, is brands creating gripping primers. A hydrating gripping primer with cherry extract and hyaluronic acid. Okay, I'm definitely curious to try this. Lips Cosmetics Crystal Pink Glass Lip Gloss, non-sticky, vitamin E, mineral oil. Okay. I hope you guys can see. It's like a nice shimmery kind of color. Next we have, ooh, Anastasia Lash Sculpt Lengthening Mascara. I didn't know about this. Is this like new, or maybe it's like in their original line? I don't want to open it because just in case, but it's cool. Then we have this mini eye cream from La Vito, and then this Bodyography eye pencil. First, I got a package from Benefit. This is their little like PR thing that they send out every month to influencers. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so crazy to think like that I get Benefit PR. I use their brow products every single day. Everything that I love and need to get my brows done and get them done quickly and efficiently. So they sent over a whole brow situation, you guys. This is pretty crazy. So many products in here that I love and use all the time. The Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. All my shades, by the way, are 4.5. We have the Highbrow Duo Pencil. This I think is new, that they combined the highlighting and lifting pencil together. This is one I use every single day. It's the thinner pencil. This is precisely my brow. It just gets right under the brows perfectly to fill in my brows. Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is the one that's a little bit thicker. The Benefit Pow Made, which is the gel. This also is great if you want something with more pigment. We have the Gimme Brow, which is the classic gel with the fibers in it. We also have the 24-hour brow setter, which holds and locks your brow into place so they don't move. Microfilling pen, which is like a very light, soft strokes, kind of gives that microblading effect. And then this is more new. It's the Goof Proof Brow Powder. One of these little spoolies with the angled brush on the side. I use this all the time. I have 2 of them right now in my brow drawer, and mine are like fully caked up because I'm always like brushing the wax through my brows with that. Love the Benefit stuff. Their stuff is amazing. And then next up, I got a package from the hair brand Scoonchy. I'm actually wearing one of their clips today in my hair. I love their hair clips. So they sent me all these products that you can get at Rite Aid, which is so fun. And Scoonchy is just like a classic hair brand. Like I feel like everyone knows their stuff. So they sent over these little braided headbands. There's another headband that's really fun. It's like, look at this. So it has this little ribbon on the end, so you can wear it 3 different ways. So there's like the little claws, so that combs through your hair. And then you can wear it like, you can tie it on top of your head. You can put the ribbon like in a braid and wear the headband, or you can tie it like in the back of your hair like a little bow, which is so cute. So again, these are all at Rite Aid. This is a 3-pack of super cute claw clips. I want to get some like shorter pieces in the front of my hair, so when I have my hair up in the claw clip or the ponytail, that they'll like fall down, which is always really much cuter, I think, with a claw clip. This is a 3-pack, classic, pretty colors. And the quality of the Scoonchy stuff is always really good. We have this cute little, how cute is this? This makes me want to do so many different hairstyles. This pearl stretchy little guy is so fun. Then we have these like took me back. I used to wear these all the time when I was younger. These like snap clips. There's so many pictures of me when I was like 10, 11, 12 wearing those little clips in my hair. Oh, you guys, I've been so nostalgic. Like, I wish I could go back in time. Like, I feel like you really start to get that way in your 30s. You're like, oh, you like crave like the old times. I feel like it's such an old thing to say, but you really do. Like, I'm so nostalgic for like the 90s and 2000s. This clip is a really pretty, I think they had sent this to me in their last PR package and I gave it to my niece, but it's so cute. It has rhinestones and pearls. And then this, oh, you guys, look how freaking cute these are. I like have to think how I would wear these because they're like so small. Definitely like this. I wear my hair half up, half down a lot just to get the hair out of my face. So this would be cute for that. Cute and tiny. They sent so much stuff, which was so nice. This is the last thing. This is a pack of gold little hair clips. So we have like some smaller ones and then this one's a little bit bigger. Gold is so chic. And it actually says on here they're the #1 hair accessory brand in the United States based on sales from 2014 to 2022. Okay, scoonchy, that is awesome. Again, if you want to check those out, they're all at Rite Aid drugstores.